The whole line, the original back.
Sir.
Yes, I won't from Mama Betty.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's original.
Back open.
I don't break it. Original back open.
Back open. Me mama nyina akwaba bia say hia na hwe manim ha me say ne Dutchland for magimi abos na baby am we aye Gaps Cosmetics Afro Cosmetics and am we anti Grace di oboni din a waji say boom send the original me kan no baby ya obi anim o pay spice blend ni bia obenye bi wo ha sese so wa ho and na the shop na nya ba akopro aye one of the biggest ewo meka say Dutch Chrome and I yes and e kan no oba obenye bibie. Ebusiafo enti AFRIKIKO na mi woye o enti ma nsu ne afiewura enie ma ba hwe ankrofo
Me che o mu nyina.
AFRIKIKO HAMBURG enti se obi ba na original spice ni bia obenye bi o
Obenye bi wa AFRIKIKO
ye de number so beti so ohu sa
obenye bi live
ye da se ti ebusiafo ye spices ni so finally edru ha enti wa opebi no oba AFRIKIKO a onsa beka bi original me bo me homodin kakra ti mo nso a mo support de ye ne nyame nhira mu nyina ye do mu nyina nso ye to aso
My name is Angie and I come from Kenya and I've been watching this woman. She's from London. She's a Ghanaian. She's called Mama Betty. You got to try her food. My God, you gotta do this. She's just the best of the best.
And I'm Gifty. I'm from Ghana, my country. Me Mama Betty, Mama original, you're the best. Abua me suma warrior, abua masafu menina, and kwalanina, omudi tsuya diane ye. You're really one of the best cook or best mother. Na food too, ewa wale for monhwe mo ama wale no is so important. Na food too ebua fie, ebua nnuane. Mama ye nyina ye support to. Ade bia ye nyame ade ye support to. Na ebe ye nhira ma ye nyina me damase. Bye.
Abusiafo enti BREMEN mabedri
Gabi bona ya na was sister na eje UK ba ni eke atolete spices ko be ba bie nto spices e bia na won to ni bole wo ka afi floor ni mo fia ma ayi adanse ake oh sister original spices afana hegbe all white mo fia ma na ke spices ni o bia na ni wo MKko nke yan village Willem South and am me dey here for no yes me adakwa ya na me dey ko bo me